Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial is a two-part series designed to help you understand and maximize the use of Builder Information Systems report queries and the report preview features. Part 1. BIS Report Queries. By definition, a query is a question or inquiry. In the computer world, a query commonly means to request information from a database. In Builder Information System, a request is made by setting one or more parameters to define and sort the information desired using the Report Query screen. Links to the Report Query screens can be found in the blue area to the right of each listed module using the My Desktop View option, or by accessing them under Reports and then scrolling to the needed report under the specific module heading in the menu bar. Also, several pertinent reports are made accessible from transaction screens by right-clicking on the hyperlinks and selecting the desired related report. As a report query example, let us look at the Accounts Payable Journal report by selecting the Accounts Payable module in the My Desktop View option sidebar. Again, all the report query links are found in the blue area to the far right. Select the Accounts Payable Journal link, or select Reports in the menu bar, go to Accounts Payable, and select Accounts Payable Journal. In Builder Information System, a report query screen may have 6 to 8 areas depending on the report needs, and each area may have different report-related parameters or setting options specific to the type of information being queried. In this case, the Accounts Payable Journal report query screen has 8 areas: My Query, Report Type, Order By, Ascending or Descending, General Ledger Account, where it applies to reporting, Options in the upper right, Fiscal Year, where it applies to reporting, and the report field parameters. For the moment, let us bypass the My Query function. It will be discussed a little later. Report type typically allows you to choose from a summary type report with basic information, detail report, which provides additional information beyond the summary report, extended report provides even more information beyond the detail report. There may also be different report type options available depending on the report query selected. Order by may provide one or more field options by which the sort order for the report information will be based upon. The available field sort orders will be listed in the drop-down. Ascending or descending allows you to select either ascending or descending order for the sorted information. The General Ledger Account field applies to only certain report queries where a GL account distinction is generally required. Enter or select the GL account using the lookup feature. Fiscal Year applies to certain reports that may have multiple years of information that may be applicable or has historical information available beyond the concurrent 2 years. The drop-down will provide a list of fiscal years to select from and may include the option to include all fiscal years. Options in the upper right may provide a variety of additional filters and report options. Some settings may toggle in or exclude special report information. Report field parameters allow you to set the criteria for the information requested in the report based on specific fields. The field column indicates which fields are available for setting the parameters. The operator provides the type of range of information you want from the field. Operators may include all for obtaining all field records, equal to select a specific record. This is done by selecting or typing the record desired in the beginning field. In to look in a specific record. Again, this is done by selecting or typing the record desired in the beginning field. Between to set a range in the beginning and ending field. Tag, which is a great feature which allows you to select non-concurrent records by checking the desired record in the beginning field. Also available are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Another set of options available with date-related fields to base the report data on are on date run, which is the specific login date, day number of the month, first day of the month, and last day of the month. These options are displayed in a pop-up window when you right-click in the beginning field. The beginning field is used to indicate the beginning record in a range or to indicate a specific record when using the equal operator. The ending field is used to indicate the ending record in a range. Let me share a tip with you. For video production purposes, I have the report portion of the menu bar unselected. By right-clicking anywhere in the menu bar area below the application title bar, a pop-up window will appear with all the available menu bar options. Simply check or uncheck the desired menu bar options. To obtain a report, you first set all the desired parameters. Once the parameters are set, you may have several options as to what you can do with the report. First, assuming your workstation has access to a functioning printer, you can print the report directly from the query screen using the print icon in the toolbar, or using the Control-P keyboard command, or by selecting Print from the File menu. You can preview the report using the Preview icon in the menu, or using the Control-W keyboard command, or selecting Preview from the File menu. This will allow you to view the report information on screen. Once at the preview screen, the report can be printed using the print methods, or the report may be exported as a file or emailed as in the following examples. Both from the query screen and the previewed report, you have the option to export the report as a file to any accessible area on your workstation or network by clicking on the Export Report icon. Depending on the Builder Information System edition that you have, the Export Report function may allow you to create the file as a Word document, which can be integrated for reporting purposes, as a PDF file, which protects the information from being modified, as an Excel spreadsheet, which again allows you to integrate for reporting purposes, as an HTML file, which can be viewed using your default internet browser, as a TIFF file, which can be viewed using a photo viewer, or as a simple TXT file. Select the Export Report icon in the menu. The Report To window will appear. The file name will default to the report name, which may be modified if desired. The Add Date to File Name field allows you to add an optional date format to the file name by selecting the format in the drop-down. Destination folder allows you to select the target location where the file will be created to and stored. Note that the first time using this function, it may provide a default location which has not been created. A prompt will then follow asking permission to create the default file location. You can say yes to the prompt or create a different location. Along the left sidebar, select the file format you wish to create the report in. The larger area may provide additional file settings and options which can be modified or adjusted if needed. Note, in the lower left is a View File option checkbox. By checking the box, the file to be created will open a screen upon completing the process. Click the Run button to create the file. The Export Report function allows you to retain reports without necessarily having to print them, which affords you the option of setting up a virtual filing system on your workstation or network, saving paper and filing headaches in the process. Another option is the Email Report function. This function will automatically attach the report to an email and then allow you to draft and send the email right from within Builder Information System. This is especially useful if you have Microsoft Outlook or Outlook Express, which can be utilized by selecting the option on the Miscellaneous tab in System-Wide Parameters and saving the setting. Select the Email Report icon. The Send Mail email attachment screen will appear. Select the desired file format. Again, the larger area may provide additional file settings and options which may be modified. Click the Run button. A new email screen will appear with the report attached and the report name in the subject field. Simply select or enter the recipient or recipients, complete the email, and send. Once you've set up the desired report query parameters, whether you've generated the report or not, you have the option to save the report settings for future use using the My Query process in the upper left. To save a query, first click on the three-dot button to the right of the My Query drop-down. In the My Query list screen, click on Save As, enter the name for the query, select a scope option, and click OK. Note, setting the scope to public makes the query available to other users in the application. A private scope makes the query available only to the creator. You can have as many queries as needed, and the saved queries can be renamed, copied, modified, deleted, or changed in terms of scope at any time by accessing the My Query list screen. One final note. Report query screens have last use memory, which simply means when first opened they default to the last used query settings. Part 2 of this tutorial will cover the various report preview features available.